Welcome to Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari, Department of Civil Engineering. My subject Geotechnical Engineering. In the Geotechnical Engineering, the today's topic is Consistency Index related problem. In previous classes, already we can discuss Consistency Index, Liquidity Index and Plasticity Index. Now we can go for one problem, one sample problem that indicates a soil has a plastic limit of 25% and plasticity index of what is the symbol of plasticity index of 30. If the natural water content of the soil is 34%, what is the liquidity index and what is the consistency index? How do you describe the consistency? Now first of all, for any problem, first of all write given data. First of all, we can write given data. What is given data? Given data, plastic limit symbol W suffix P, PL or W suffix P. So first write plastic limit. Plastic limit, the symbol is PL or W suffix P. Plastic limit W suffix P is equal to 25%. W suffix P is equal to 25% and plasticity index of 30. Plasticity index symbol I suffix P. Index I, plasticity P. Plasticity index of 30. Now write plasticity index I suffix P is equal to 30. 30. If the natural water content of the soil is 34%, natural water content W is equal to 34%. Water content W is equal to 34%. The symbol W is equal to 34%. Any data is there? Now, what is the liquidity index? The formula for liquidity index is I suffix L is equal to natural. It is difference between the natural water content and plastic limit to the plasticity index. It is the difference between the water content and plastic limit to the plasticity index. So we can write, first we can determine the liquidity index. First we can determine liquidity index. So liquidity index I suffix L is equal to liquidity index I suffix L is equal to difference between the water content plastic limit to the plasticity index. So that values W, WP, IP 34%, 30, 25%. So directly water content, the given value is 34 minus WP 25 minus 25 by plasticity index 30. So liquidity index is equal to, the value is 0.30. The value is 0.30. Next, we can determine the consistency index. The consistency index. Next, we can determine the consistency index. Consistency index. What is the formula for consistency index? Symbol consistency index C I or I suffix C. Consistency index is equal to, it is the difference between the liquid limit minus natural water content to the plasticity index. But in this problem, liquid limit is not given. Liquid limit value is not given. But how to determine liquid limit value? To find out liquid limit is equal to limit W L is equal to plastic limit. This is W L. This is W L. Liquid limit W L is equal to IP plus W P. So already we have plasticity index and plastic limit. Plasticity index and plastic limit. 30 minus 30 plus 25. 30 plus 25. So 55. 30 plus 25, that is equal to 55. The value is 55. So that value substitute in here. So 55 minus 34. 55 minus 34 by IP. Plastic limit, plasticity index 30 is equal to, the value is, consistency index value is 0.70. 0.70. Here asking only liquidity index and consistency index. So the formulas is these two formulas, but here it is not given liquid limit value. So by using this formula, we can determine the liquid limit value. So over. Thank you. Here asking only consistency index and liquid limit index. So for any problem, first of all, you can write the given data. It is very important for step to step wise. First of all, you can write the given data. What is the given data here given in this problem? Carefully learn the read the problem. What is the given data? What is the that indication also important. Here plastic limit indication is W suffix P. You can't know the W suffix P. How to find out how to determine this plastic limit value, liquidity index value? So first of all, you can know the what is plastic limit, what is plasticity index, and what is natural water content symbol. So that is very important for our conducting determine our calculations for determination of liquid limit and plastic limit. And also units also very important for determination of problems, otherwise you can lose 1 mark. So the first right given data, plastic limit is W suffix P 25% and plasticity index is 30 and water content is 34%. This is the given data, already you can know, and that is given in our problem directly. So what is the required formulas for determining this liquidity index and consistency index? First we can go for liquidity index. The liquidity index formula is liquidity index I suffix L is equal to W minus W by I suffix P. That is difference between the natural water content and plastic limit to the plasticity index. So here water content, plastic limit, plasticity index value already given. Water content, plastic limit, plasticity index value already given. And next we can solve the consistency index. What is the formula for consistency index and what is the data required for the consistency index? The formula is consistency index CI. It is difference between the liquid limit to the natural water content and plasticity index. But in this problem, water liquid limit value is not given, WL value is not given, but we can know the formula. So by basing this equation, by using this equation, W suffix L is equal to IP plus WP. Plasticity index value already we can know. Plastic limit value you can know. IP plus WP. So 30 plus 25. So what is plus 30 plus 25? That is equal to 55. 55. So that 55 value we can substitute in liquid limit. So liquid limit is equal to 55 and already we can know the water content value 34. So liquid limit minus natural water content by I suffix P, plasticity index. The plasticity index value is 30. So that will be substituted here. So we will get the plasticity index value, consistency index value. So here only asking liquidity index and consistency index. That two values we can determine by using with the help of this limit equation. We can find out the liquidity index and consistency index. By this way we can go for and solve the step-by-step process. In each and every problem we can first write the given data and write with clear abbreviations with symbols, and next we can note down the what is we can determine and what is the formula for determining that element, and substitute each value in that formula, and finally we can write the answer result. So this is the step-by-step procedure solving the problems in our mid exams or semester or any exam. So it will give the neat appearance to the faculty members, so we can gain the good marks. Thank you.